The shipping section will be where you can customize and edit your shipping options. Ricochet will offer several ways for your customers to receive their items: traditional shipping, in-store pickup, and local delivery. But before we get ahead of ourselves, we'll review a few settings and features. You will start out with 3 toggle buttons. The first is Ship Items. By toggling this off, you will remove all shipping options and only allow your customers to pick up or offer local delivery. This is commonly used by stores who are just getting started with e-commerce and are relying on their current customer base. Next is In-Store Pickup Available. By toggling this off, customers cannot choose to pick up items in-store. This is commonly used by consignment businesses without a physical location. You can also offer free shipping across your site by toggling on the free shipping store-wide toggle. Some stores may offer this for promotional reasons. Next is the free shipping threshold. If you're offering your customers free shipping, you can choose your threshold, either the total price of the cart or the cart item quantity, then add the threshold value. You can add $100 here if you're offering free shipping over $100, or free shipping when you purchase 5 items. Many stores will highlight their free shipping threshold in the site banner feature that can be found in the navigation tab in the design section. Next, you will see your shipping type and rates, but we do want to review shipping in a little more detail first. Ricochet will have built-in shipping calculators for USPS and FedEx, as well as the ability to create flat rate shipping. These options are great if you're using flat rate boxes to ship out items or have a good routine in place with shipping with your current customers. But we also do have an integration with a company called ShipStation. ShipStation is a third-party service that not only allows you to choose your shipping carriers and shipping options in more detail, but will also allow you to print shipping labels and send tracking information to your customers. We highly suggest using this service, especially for stores that may only have a few people on staff at any time. Since ShipStation is set up in the integration section in Ricochet, we will cover that process in another tutorial. So now, we'll cover setting up your dynamic or flat rate shipping options. If you choose dynamic, you can toggle off any of the options you don't want to include, like FedEx International Overnight, or a USPS Priority Express 1 to 2 day. Now, what this means is that when a customer checks out and they choose shipping, these calculators will take into account how far the item is traveling, the shipping method, and the weight, and then it's going to attach the correct amount of shipping to that sale. The store will then be responsible for the rest. If you choose to create your own shipping rates, then you can click Flat Rate. Choose to set your rates based on the price of the cart or weight of the cart. Now, you can click the plus sign to add in your thresholds. Make sure to start with a floor threshold, something like $1 or £1, so that way every sale has a baseline shipping amount attached. Create as many thresholds as you need, and also note that you will only be able to use either the dynamic or flat rate. You cannot use a mixture of both. Finally, there will be a section for local delivery. If you offer local delivery for your local customers, then you can click the plus sign to type in the zip codes and the amount that you will charge for delivery. You can also add or delete these delivery thresholds at any time. If you do not create any options within this section, then local delivery will not be available for your customers. Now, one last thing to note, although in this section you can set up your global delivery options, you can choose not to offer certain options on a per item basis. So if you were to access an item when adding it online, you can choose to make that item shippable or only in-store pickup, or choose to not make that item deliverable.